What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. And today, we're tucking into some Boswells mild English. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back. Sitting around in the shop today, sitting around at the bench. Still kind of dirty, as it always is, a little messed up. I finished up a couple projects. Got a couple more projects going on, as always. But today, a little tobacco review. And we are smoking some Boswells mild English. Hope that's zooming in on that. And as the name states, it is in English. Move a couple things. Got my book. And this is the June blend for Mutton Chop Piper's Blend Club. I always say this, if you don't know who Mutton Chop Piper is or what Blend Club is, I will leave a link to him down below. And maybe I can leave a card up here. Doink. You can click on it. It'll take you to Mutton Chop's channel. But his review is out. I watched it. Great review as always. He always lays down some knowledge, so to speak. But hey, today I got some mild English. I have my coffee. It is a Tuesday in my world. It was pretty warm today and a lot of rain. At least where I was at. Not at my house, but a lot of rain. And today I am smoking some mild English out of my Blakemore Briars large billiard made in England. Keep the English theme. But actually this is probably this is like my favorite pipe. Just a little pipe nose before we get into the tobacco review. My Meerschaum pipe that I broke. Rad Pipes repaired it, and it is back. I'll put a card up there. Messing around with these cards, I keep seeing. I don't know if they mean anything, but I'll put that in there. But hey, and also over 200 subscribers, like 222 subscribers. Thanks, everybody. And if you're watching the video right now, please like, subscribe, share. Tell your friends. It's not just pipes, it's gardening, it's me building stuff, it's my RV, fixing it, RV trips. But thanks everyone who's subscribed. So now, let's go. So mild English, let me fire this up while I talk. Got my matches. I've been filling this lighter up. Maybe I'll try to lighter. How's that? It never seems to hold fluid though. Like it'll be empty tomorrow. I don't know if that's normal. I'm unsure. Anyway, into the book. And Boswells, I tell you what, I'm amazed that they're as close as they are to me. And I never really knew they were there. They were up by where we used to boat by, it's called Lake Raystown. And I really wasn't into pipe smoking years ago, so that's probably why. But still, I would like to take a trip out there. I really, really would. And how unprepared am I today? So I'm going to premise this too by the last review was for sweet tea. If you haven't watched that, please go back and watch that. It's another blend that grew on me. This blend grew on me. I don't know. I think my palate is changing some. I always used to say, I don't smoke English. I don't smoke English. But now I'm starting to appreciate them. I was smoking some Balkan blends over the weekend. Just a little here and there. But this mild English, the name... It is a mild English. So into the book, into the blend. Like I said, this is the June Blend Club choice. It is Boswell's mild English. I bought 2 ounces for $10.70 plus shipping, plus tax, plus the PA excise tax, which we've talked about before. My first smoke was out of my Blakemore Briar large billiard, although it did smoke it out of a lot of different pipes. I was drinking a coffee. It was mid-morning on a Sunday. and I was down here at the bench, and for my, oh, excuse me, my odd little thing, I did have my teeth in. I'm going to start saying it because I've noticed a couple blends, night and day, whether they're in or whether they're out. So, let's get into this. The char light, it was pleasant. It was mild. It was kind of smoky, you know, your false light, your first light. You know, to me, I always seem to get a good representation of the flavor. To me, the flavor on the char light tastes the most like it smells. If it's a super aromatic, apricot aromatic, and smelling apricots and candy, that first light, that first char light, that first retrohale, you're getting all the flavor. Then the flavor is going to dissipate down. That's what I got out of this. The color was typical English. It was a blend of browns and blacks. Boswells, they just know how to blend some pipe tobacco, let me tell you. The smell. Some Englishes are pretty harsh. When you smell them, I have one upstairs I just got that is, wow. But this is really, I know it's going to sound crazy, but I wrote it down. It smells slightly sweet and smoky. I mean, there's the smoke on the background, definitely for sure, but it's got a sweetness to it. And I'm not really sure if it's like a tobacco that Boswell's uses or just how they blend or whatever, but it has a little sweetness to it. The smell, and it's kind of, you first smell it, it doesn't smell like one of those really potent Englishes from other companies. But I thought, okay, this is strange. Now for the flavor. I wrote, it's nice and easy to light. There were some light spice notes. And at first, when I first started smoking it, and this kind of went away from me a little bit, I was getting like a cigarette aftertaste. You know, like if you guys out there smoke cigarettes, I've smoked cigarettes before. I did for years. I was just getting that cigarette aftertaste. I could just put my cigarette out and I could, you know, but it didn't stick around too long. Also, and this is maybe just me, but when I smoke English blends, Balkans, I don't know if it's the Oriental leaf, Laquito, whatever you call all that. It's just the way they make Englishes. My tongue gets a little numb. I know it sounds weird, but it does, and that's what I was getting from this too, so I'm figuring it's got to be that maybe Oriental leaf or something that's in there. I said, not bad. Same note I always make, must smoke more. Which, I touched on it last time. I don't know if mutton chop I don't know if he's truly smoking. That's his first smoke. That's his first bowl when he makes his videos. But I try to kind of stick to it. When it's that blends month, I'll smoke it all month. And today is the 5th of July. So I smoked it all June. And I'm making my video today to put out. Because they all change to me. I'll start off not liking them, or I'll start off thinking they're great, and then it'll change. They all tend to suck me in the end. Other notes, I wrote, it's a very cool smoke. There was no bite. It was good to smoke at the bottom. It kept that mild flavor all the way to the bottom for me. It didn't get ashy. Even because I talked about it before, I do smoke a little fast, and this didn't heat up. It just maintained for me. I said I need to smoke more for a better feel for the blend. Well, I did. I smoked it all month long. That's about the same. I liked it. This is one of my last notes. I said, the mild English is okay, but I'm not a huge English smoker. But this is more my style because it's not too strong. Although sometimes, I got to admit, I wanted a bit more English flavor. Like if we were having a heavy dinner, we had like a roast and with mashed potatoes and stuff, which we did have one night. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go down and have a bowl of that mild English. I kind of found myself thinking, well, I don't want an aromatic. I thought, but I'll have that mild English. And I was actually hoping that it was a little stronger than what it was. But like in the mornings with a cup of coffee or different, because the nicotine hit's not real, but I wanted a little bit more flavor. And I said it smoked well out of all my pipes. There was no bite. Just a hint of sweetness. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know if you guys smoked it, if you got any sweetness out of it, especially the smell. But I did. But basically, I said all in all, it kind of started suckering me in. And like I said, I went through a point of really liking it because it was mild. And then I wanted it to be a little stronger. So, I don't know. Maybe my tastes are going swinging for some more intense English blends. I don't know. Would I put it in my rotation? Possibly. I didn't smoke through the whole 2 ounces, so I'll have it sitting around, and I'm going to jump back to it once in a while, and I'll give it a smoke. And I don't know. I like to do that. I like to save some, not smoke it for a little while, then go back and have a bowl and see if I really like it. If it's changed for me. So I'm going to get my thing out here. There we go. So, as I like to do at the shop, at the bench, at Noah's house, I don't give smiley faces or anything. I give matchsticks. And for this blend, I'm going to give 3 matchsticks because it definitely wasn't the worst. There's been a couple blends just of late that I bought them, I smoked them, I didn't like them, I sat them on the shelf, I waited, and I don't like them. And one of them is probably one of the most popular blends on the market now, and it's been so for a long time, and I just don't like it. But this was fine. Was it the greatest thing I've ever smoked? No. But I did like it. I did enjoy it. I think it was a fine smoke. I still have more, like I said, sitting around in the jar. I guarantee I'm going to revisit it. But all in all, 3 matchsticks. Ow, that was my elbow. I got a funny elbow. It cracks a lot. I don't know if you can hear that. But I think in the mornings with a cup of coffee or in the evenings with a cup of coffee, you're sitting on the deck, in the den, wherever you smoke, you pack up a bowl of this. I think you'll enjoy it. But if you're one of those English smokers out there that's into some really heavy, intense, smoky, blends, this isn't for you. But for me, I think it was okay. Like I said, I may keep it in the rotation. And actually, this may be my going down the path of smoking some more flavorful, deep English blends. But I hope you liked it. I hope you smoked some. Leave me some comments. What did you think? Did you like it? Did you like my review? Go see Mutton Chop. Mutton Chop's channel. Watch his review. It's a great review. And I think it was okay. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.